In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Euro Truck Simulator 2 with friends. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You will be able to host and join multiplayer sessions with your friends who have Euro Truck Simulator 2 on Steam. So for this video, you need to own the game on Steam. Now, you will notice that I am playing the demo, meaning that I cannot show you on screen how it looks like visually, so I'm gonna get screenshots. But if you have the full game, you will be able to access Convoys. Convoys refers to the sessions for multiplayer. So whenever you click the Convoys menu, you will be able to see all of the open sessions currently. You will be able to filter them through many different things like the session name, description, password, maximum players, and so on. And whenever you and your friends join any of these sessions, you will be able to play together. You will be able to create a convoy if you choose the option at the bottom, host convoy, and all that your friends have to do is find the convoy that you are hosting and join you. So just browse through all of these sessions, and whenever you find a convoy that one of your friends is playing on, you will be able to play together by joining that same convoy. Like I mentioned, you will need to have the full version of Euro Truck Simulator 2 on Steam to be able to do this, and as long as you open the game, you press escape or you pause at any time after selecting a profile, you go into the Convoys menu, you will be able to play together. You will be able to make your own deliveries and play on the same session or server like I mentioned. So this is going to be the best option that you have. There is also a third-party multiplayer solution which is called Truckers MP, but because that is a mod and you will need to go through a lot of setup, I won't be able to show it info in this video, but you can look for Truckers MP if you would like a more refined multiplayer experience. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Euro Truck Simulator 2 with friends. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.